Assalamu alaikum everyone, and hi there. Today I'm going to share with everybody how I make my aloo palak. So here in a pot I have a little bit of oil, and to that I added 1 teaspoon of garlic. Once the garlic turned light golden brown, I added 1 tomato. I blended the tomato in the blender because I don't like chunks of tomato in anything. So I added that, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the spices to this. So give that a good mix and add just the basic spices. So I'm going to add 1 heaping tablespoon of red chili flakes, half a teaspoon of turmeric, a little bit over half a teaspoon of salt, and a little bit of coriander. I'm gonna go ahead and add all the spices, and then give that a good mix and saute till all the water has dried up. Now I'm going to use frozen spinach. It comes in a block like this, and you can use fresh spinach, but you have to chop it up and boil it. But I'm just gonna go ahead and use that because that's what I had handy at the moment. So go ahead,
spinach
and
already
once the
has
water
quite
has
a
dried
bit
up,
of
throw your
liquid
spinach
in there.
So we're not gonna go and add more water or anything. I will add a little bit of kasuri methi to this. You don't need to. I just like to add that little bit of dry kasuri methi to give a flavor of the methi in there as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of that. Now give everything a good mix, and we're gonna go ahead and cover that and let that cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Do mix in between, and I'm going to add my potatoes at this point. So as you can see, most of the water has evaporated or dried up, and my spinach is ready almost. So I have 1 medium-sized potato cut into bite-sized pieces. I'm gonna go through and throw that in there. We're gonna saute that for a few minutes before we add the water. Now I'm gonna add about half a glass of water, and we just need water to cook down the potatoes and have a little bit of gravy in the sag, in the spinach. So after adding the water, I'm gonna cover and let that cook for, let's say, about 15 to 20 minutes. This is a very quick and easy recipe to follow. Go ahead and cover it, and I'm going to check in about 15 minutes or so. Just grab a fork or a knife, whatever you have handy, and check to see if the potatoes are done. Now I like to have just a little bit of gravy in there for the sag. So when it looks something like that, your sag is ready. At this point, go ahead and turn the flame off. Now I'm using a clay pot, and it takes quite a long time to heat up, and once you turn the flame off, it still continues to cook. So you will see in the next step that I turned the stove off, and after a while still sizzling in there. So go ahead and serve it with makki ki roti or naan, or your choice of chapati. And hope you like the recipe, and hope you try it. Stay tuned for more recipes. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, share, like. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.